Alright, so now we have all the data, so that's why let's go to the cart page now. Alright, so here this is just a test, right? So we will take out this code. Okay, just remove this exit and return HTTP response. Alright, so now if I go to here and refresh, alright, we have the cart page here. So since we already have the data, so those data we will be printing here, okay, in this page. So first of all, what we will do is we will just loop through all the cart items so that it will bring all the cart items here, okay, in this side. So then we will print all the quantity and all those price and all those stuff here inside. Alright, so first go to the cart page. Okay, so context is already sending the data to the cart page. So here cart.html, the first thing we are going to loop is this tr. Okay, so this tr from here to here. Alright, so let's say for cart item in cart items. Okay, then first of all we need to end this for loop and for. So now if you refresh, we have already added two data here, okay, two products here. Alright, so let's bring all the corresponding product names and all those stuff here. Go back to the code editor, and here first of all we need to bring the product image. Right, this is how we bring it. The product image is inside the product model, right? But we have the cart item now. So when you say cart underscore item dot, okay, product dot image dot url, so here we are going to the cart item and the product model and the image field, okay, and accessing the url. Right, so let's refresh once. Alright, so this is not coming because I think we did this is not image, this should be images, right? So let's copy this, and where is it? Here. So this is images, okay, so save it and refresh. Alright, so now we have the image. Alright, so the same way let's bring in the title of the product, cart item dot product dot product name, okay, sorry, not id, product name. So this product name is here, right? So inside the product model we have the product name. So the this one, the matrix and brand, just rename it to color and size, okay, because we'll be doing the variation product, right? So that's why let's keep it like this. Now we will go to the variation product in the future lectures, but once this is done, let's go to the quantity. Here this input type equal to text and class form control, the value is now saying 1. Instead of this 1 we have to say the cart items quantity, right? Cart item dot quantity, so that it will bring the dynamic quantity here, right? So this is the add, this is minus and this is plus, that means this one, okay. So plus and minus, when we click on this plus button, and it should go to, it should increment the product quantity, right? We will do that, but before that, this is the price. Let's sorry, what happened? Okay, here first remove this price, and let's say we have the cart item dot total, right? So this total should be here, and this 315, this is the product price for each product, right? So that's why what we'll do is we will say cart item dot product dot price. So this will bring the single price of the product. Okay, so this is the total price. Okay, and I think that's enough. Refresh. Okay, so we have the product title and the quantity, and okay, so this is not bringing the product price. So let's check what happened. So the cart item dot total. Okay, sorry. So what we will do is we will say subtotal, and we'll create one function called subtotal inside the cart item. Okay, so this will calculate the price into the number of quantity. Okay, so go to this cart and models.py file, and here let's say define subtotal. So inside this subtotal we will be taking the self and colon return self dot the product price, right? So self dot product dot price into self dot quantity. Okay, this one. So self means we are referring to this model, and the self dot product dot price is nothing but the self means this cart item itself, and the product, so product is the foreign key of product model, and inside the product model we have the price. Okay, so that's what we are calculating here. So when that is done, so go to this here, and okay, so already we have added this subtotal. So now let's refresh. All right, so now we have the product total, right? Subtotal. All right, again, and when I click on this add button, it should increment the quantity by 1. Okay, so let's do that quickly. So here is the plus icon, and this is now the button, right? So we don't need button here because we are going to add the href link. So that's why instead of this button, make a hashtag. Okay, just remove the button text and remove do the a here also, remove button and a href is equal to now URL space. We have a URL pattern for add cart, right? Add cart. Okay, with the add cart we also want to send the product ID, right? So in this case it is cart item dot product dot ID. So this should work now. Let's go to the browser and refresh. Let me click on this plus. Okay, so now you can see the quantity is increasing, and 7 8, and this one also, as the quantity is increasing, the product the subtotal also getting increased. Okay, so here we also need to see the total price and the tax. Okay, so and this total, we already have the total, right? And this total we already have the total, right? So let's just implement that. Scroll down and we have the total here, total price. So this is now total. Okay, so just say total and refresh. All right, now you can see we have the total. Tax and the grand total we will do in the next video. Okay, thank you.